Want to earn money with Filmora? It's easier than you think. Join their creator monetization program and start earning. Let's head over to impact.com, sign up, and search for Filmora under the Brands section. One application covers both Filmora's desktop and mobile programs. Once you're approved, you'll receive an email with detailed instructions on how to get your own affiliate link. Now it's time to share your link, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else you can think of. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a 50% commission on desktop sales and 30% on mobile purchases. Let's break it down. Imagine you refer 10 users to each of the following plans. If you add up the total sales from just those 10 referrals per plan, you're looking at $2,299.70 in total sales. For every sale made through your unique link, you earn a commission. So with that $2,299.70 in sales, your total commission would be $804. That's for referring just 10 users to each plan. But wait, what if you doubled your referrals? Instead of just 10, what if you referred 20 users for each plan? You could be looking at an amazing $1,609 in commission. The more you share, the more you earn. But that's not all. By joining the Filmora Creator Program, you'll also get early access to new features and updates. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and hit subscribe for more content in the future.